Halo everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Begin with me on English learning. Well class, welcome back again. And today we are going to discuss on chapter 10. Well class, by the way, before we continue for our learning today, you have prepared for everything? Book, notebook, and others? And also you have got shower? And also you have breakfast? Very good. Well class, here the lesson for you. Let's check it out about our lesson today. Let's go. Okay. Chapter 10. Let's take a computer line. On this chapter we are going to learn about number 21 to 50. There is and there are. And also learning about commuter line schedule. Well class, let's continue for this lesson. Please pay attention carefully. And here the chapter 10 for you. A. Listening. A. Mendengarkan. Listen and repeat. Dengarkan dan ulangi. Number 21 to 50. Nomor 21 sampai 50. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. Well, class, now please you read this number for number 21 to 50 by yourself. Oke, silakan anak-anak dibaca angka ini dari nomor 21 sampai 50 dalam bahasa Inggris. After this, we continue for the next. Here you are. Be speaking. Be speaking. Practice this dialogue. Udin and ticket clerk. Udin dan pegawai tukang tiket. Excuse me, sir. Can you help me? Permisi, Pak. Apakah Anda bisa membantu saya? Sure, tentu. What can I do for you? Apa yang saya bisa lakukan untuk Anda? Have a commuter line from Pasar Minggu arrived? Sudahkah sebuah kereta komuter lain dari Pasar Minggu telah tiba? Oh, a commuter line from Pasar Minggu hasn't arrived. Oh, sebuah kereta komuter lain dari Pasar Minggu belum tiba. When will that commuter line arrive? When will that commuter line arrive? Kapan kereta komuter lain tersebut tiba? It's about 9:45. Sekitar jam 10 kurang seperempat atau 9:45. Where will you go, kid? Where will you go, kid? Kemana kamu akan pergi, nak? I will go to Gambir Station, sir. I will go to Gambir Station, sir. Saya akan pergi ke stasiun Gambir, Pak. Alright, baiklah. It is 9:30 now. Sekarang jam 9:30. Please wait the commuter line 15 minutes more. Please wait the commuter 15 minutes more. Silakan tunggu kereta tersebut sekitar 15 menit. Oke, thank you, sir. Baiklah, terima kasih, Pak. Well, student, now do this exercise. Sekarang kerjakan tugas berikut according to the dialogue. Answer the questions. Jawablah pertanyaan-pertanyaan tersebut. Number 1. Who are the persons in the dialogue? Siapa orang-orang yang ada di dalam percakapan? 2. Where does Udin ask to the ticket clerk? Apa yang Udin tanyakan kepada petugas tiket? When does the commuter line arrive? When does the commuter line arrive? Kapan kereta komuter lain tiba? Number 4. Where will Udin go? Kemana Udin akan pergi? Number 5. How long does Udin wait for the commuter line? Berapa lama Udin menunggu kereta komuter lain? Well, students, please you write the question on your notebook and also the answer. Baiklah anak, sekarang tulis soal tersebut dan tulis jawabannya di buku catatan kalian. Well, after this, we continue for the next. Here you are. See reading. Read the text carefully. Bacalah teks berikut dengan hati-hati. Let's take a commuter line. Yuk, kita naik commuter line. Atau kita naik kereta commuter line. On Sunday morning, Banu and his family will go to several tourism places in Jakarta such as Kota Tua. Di hari Minggu pagi, Banu dan keluarganya akan pergi ke beberapa tempat wisata di Jakarta seperti Kota Tua, National Monument, Monumen Nasional atau Monas, and Setu Babakan dan Babakan Setu. They will go by commuter line. Mereka akan naik commuter line atau naik kereta. Because it is the cheapest and fastest transportation in Jakarta. Karena ini adalah transportasi termurah dan tercepat di Jakarta. Commuter line is one of favorite transportation for Jakarta citizen. Kereta api atau commuter line adalah salah satu transportasi favorit untuk warga Jakarta. Based on commuter line schedule, berdasarkan jadwal kereta api commuter line, there is a commuter line from Pasar Minggu to Jakarta Kota that leaves at 7:30. Ada sebuah kereta api dari Pasar Minggu ke Jakarta Kota yang berangkat pada pukul 7:30. Banu and his family will taking that road to Kota Tua. Banu dan keluarganya akan mengambil rute ke Kota Tua. Then, From Kota Tua, they will go to National Monument. Kemudian dari Kota Tua mereka akan pergi ke Monumen Nasional atau ke Monas. They have to take a commuter line to Gambir. Mereka akan naik kereta api menuju Gambir. There is a commuter line to Gambir that arrive at 9:45. Ada sebuah kereta api komuter lain menuju Gambir yang tiba pukul 9.45 atau 10 kurang 10. 10 kurang 45. 10 kurang 15, maaf. I'm sorry. After visiting National Monument, they want to go to Setu Babakan. Setelah mengunjungi Monas, mereka akan pergi menuju ke Babakan Setu. They have to take commuter line to Lenteng Agung. They have to take a commuter line to Lenteng Agung. Mereka harus mengambil kereta api komuter lain menuju Lenteng Agung. But they have to transit at Manggarai. Tetapi mereka harus transit di Manggarai. There is a commuter line to Manggarai that leaves at 11:30. Ada sebuah komuter lain menuju Manggarai yang berangkat pada pukul 11.30. Then to Lenteng Agung that arrive at 12. Kemudian menuju Lenteng Agung yang tiba pada pukul 12. They arrive at Setu Babakan at 12:30. Mereka tiba di Babakan Setu pada pukul 12.30. Finally, it is 1:45. Akhirnya sekarang pukul 1.45 atau jam 2 kurang 15. They have to go home from Lenteng Agung to Pasar Minggu. Mereka harus pulang dari Lenteng Agung menuju Pasar Minggu. On schedule, di dalam jadwal, there is a commuter line to Pasar Minggu that leaves at 2:30. Ada sebuah komuter lain ke Pasar Minggu yang berangkat pada pukul 2.30. Banu and his family very happy after visiting tourism places in Jakarta and enjoying commuter line. Banu dan keluarganya sangat bahagia setelah mengunjungi tempat-tempat wisata di Jakarta dan menikmati komuter lain atau menikmati kereta komuter lain. Well, students, please this reading you read and learn by yourself. Then after this, there are some questions and you have to answer. Here you are. Answer the questions. Jawablah pertanyaan-pertanyaan tersebut. Number 1. Who will go to tourism places? Siapa yang akan pergi ke tempat-tempat wisata? Number 2. Siti kita ganti Banu ya. Number 2. When Banu and his family, when Banu and his family go to tourism places. Kapan Banu dan keluarganya akan pergi ke tempat-tempat wisata? Tadi Siti diganti Banu. Number 3. What is the first tourism place they visit? Yang pertama, tempat wisata yang pertama, apa yang mereka kunjungi? Number 3. When is commuter line to Gambir Station arrive? Kapan kereta komuter line menuju Gambir tiba? 5. Where is commuter line to Lenteng Agung transit? di mana komuter lain menuju Lenteng Agung Transit. Well, class, please you write the questions and also the answer on your notebook. Ya, tulislah soal dan jawabannya di buku kalian. And here the second duties, ini tugas yang kedua. Well, students, today this one for our learning. Thanks for watching. Keep stay healthy always. See you for the next meeting. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.